Hello everyone, this is our book all about flowers by Clair Throp. Let's review. What are plants? Plants are living things. These are the parts of a plant. There is the flower, the stem, the leaf, the root, and the seed. Plants have many parts. What do plants need to grow? Plants need water to grow. And they need two other things. Do you know what those things are? If you said air and sunlight, you were absolutely correct. Plants need sunlight and air to grow. What are flowers? Many plants grow flowers. Some plants have one flower. Some plants have lots of flowers. Flowers make seeds. New plants grow from seeds. Do you think you could guess where flowers grow from? If you said the stem, then you guessed right. Flowers grow from the stem and they make new seeds. A petal is one part of a flower. Can you see the pink petal on this page? Some flowers have purple petals. Some flowers have red petals. What is your favorite flower and what color is it? My favorite flowers are white daisies. Some flowers have patterns on their petals. Can you see how the pattern of this petal is darker in the middle and gets lighter near the edge? Flowers can be different shapes. Some flowers look like a ball. Some flowers look like a heart. Some flowers look like a star. Some flowers look like a bell. Does your favorite flower have a special shape? If so, what shape is it? Flowers is food. Hummingbirds and butterflies get food from flowers. Bees get food from flowers. That means the flower has two jobs. It makes seeds, and it makes food for some birds and insects. Plants need flowers. Flowers make seeds. Seeds grow and become new plants. Thank you for listening and reading along with me. You guys keep working hard and I'll see you soon.